attorney, court official, or state employee calling on behalf of a client, press 2. If you are a new client inquiring about pricing or would like to schedule or reschedule an installation appointment for a vehicle interlock, smart mobile, or in-home device, press 3. If you have received a letter from SmartStart's credit department, press 4. For our breath check handheld monitoring device, this is not installed in a vehicle, press 5. If you are a mechanic calling on behalf of a client, press 6. For the company directory, press 7. To repeat this message, press the star key.
SmartStart is excited to announce the launch of SmartStart My Portal. Here you may access and manage your account from anywhere. Simply download the app for free from the Apple App Store or Google Play on your phone by searching SmartStart Client Portal. Or you can access from our main client page at myportal.smartstartinc.com. This portal allows you to view the details of your next appointment, add notes to your account, make a payment, locate the nearest SmartStart Service Center, and much more. What a great way to save time.
To expedite your call, please help us verify a few of your account details. Sorry, but the date you entered was not in the correct format. Please be sure to include leading zeros. Sorry, but the date you entered was not in the correct format. Please be sure to include leading zeros. Sorry, but the date you entered was not in the correct format. Please be sure to include leading zeros for the month and... Sorry, we're having trouble verifying your account. Please enter the zip code on your SmartStart account. Sorry, we didn't catch that. Please enter the zip code you are calling from. Sorry, we didn't catch that. Please enter the zip code you are calling from. Sorry, we didn't catch that. Please enter the zip code you are calling from. Thank you for calling SmartStart, the world's premier alcohol monitoring provider, where your satisfaction in business is appreciated. Para español, presione dos. This call is being recorded for quality and training purposes.
Please listen carefully to the following options as our menus have changed.
If you're an existing client using one of our in-home, smart mobile, or vehicle devices, press 1. If you are an attorney, court official, or state employee calling on behalf of a client, press 2. If you are a new client inquiring about pricing or would like to schedule or reschedule an installation appointment for a vehicle interlock, smart mobile, or in-home device, press 3.
To expedite your call, please enter the zip code you are calling from. Thank you. One moment while we connect you with the next customer care specialist.
Thank you for calling SmartStart. This is Yvonne. How can I help you today?
Yes, I was calling about getting interlock installed on a vehicle for my girlfriend.
All right, can I have your first? Perfect. Go ahead and give me girlfriend's first and last name.
Is Gloria Hartney.
Gloria. Spell her last name.
Hartney.
And what's her birthday?
Is the 7th of May, 1959.
May 7th, 1959. And then what's her vehicle year, make, and model that she wants to install on?
I was going to ask about that. Does she have to own the vehicle, or can I own the vehicle?
No. Yeah, it could be in your name. That's fine, and she'll still get all the credit. No problem.
Uh huh. And I can still drive the vehicle too then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Most definitely.
Okay. That'd be a 2014 GMC Acadia.
What color would it be?
Silver.
Starts with a key ignition.
Yes.
Arizona's the state requiring what county?
Pima.
Pima?
Yeah. Can we get it in a different county if it's closer?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think they have one in Ajo. We're in Ajo, Arizona.
Right. Let me check that out. Just give me a moment.
Okay.
There's one in, Arjo, AJO. It's called AT and Tire Maintenance.
Yes.
When was she trying to come in for the appointment?
We're ready now. I saw there was one. I saw there was one in Maricopa.
We have one in Maricopa too. Which one do you want to go to?
Can they install it there and get it like checked in Ajo?
Yeah. Are you near the Maricopa one today? I mean, I don't know if they can do it today. I have to call them and ask. Okay, give me just a second.
Okay.
It has to be registered in my name, the car.
She said no.
She said, yeah, it has to be. And then I said, well, how am I supposed to get it registered in my name if I don't have a license? She goes, you just have to explain your situation and then get it done, and they come back, you know. But they didn't have no packet for anything like that.
She says you could.
And then why were we here then, if you're calling?
I didn't.
All right, thank you for holding. The shop in Maricopa, they don't have an installer right now, so it'd probably be the one over in Arjo. We can try that one.
Okay. Yeah, I saw somebody down there as we drove by.
All right, let me ask. One moment.
Huh?